Welcome back to MotherBee's channel. Today, we are going to cook MotherBee spaghetti with tomatoes, mushroom, olives, and capsicum. The ingredients: 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic minced, diced white onion 1 whole, 2 pieces red tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into wedges and remove the seeds. Dice the tomatoes evenly. Strain the seeds to extract juice. Black olives 1/4 cup. Red capsicum seeded and diced. Five button mushrooms sliced. Fresh rosemary and bay leaves finely chopped. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 cup white wine. 2 cans of tomato puree. 500 grams of spaghetti cooked. So let's get started. Pour olive oil into the cooking pan and wait for the oil to heat up for at least 2 minutes. Add minced garlic and saute for 2 minutes. Then add diced onion. Continue mixing until the onion becomes translucent. Add diced tomatoes and continue to cook until the tomatoes are soft. Pour in the tomato juice, let it simmer for a minute, then add ground beef. Loosen the ground meat and mix with the sauteed garlic and onion. Add paprika, then the herbs. Pour in the white wine and add in the salt and ground black pepper. Add sliced mushroom, then add the black olives and the diced capsicum. Pour in the tomato puree and mix to distribute all of the ingredients evenly. Cover and let it simmer for at least 3 minutes. Then remove the cover. Add grated cheese, add the cooked pasta, then mix to evenly coat the sauce to the pasta. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you. Until next time.